To access the Temu application and play games for free, you'll need to start by visiting the website at www.temu.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see various icons and features, including best sellers, 5-star rated products, and more. The process is relatively simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Temu offers several games, such as Spin the Wheel and Scratch and Win, which can be accessed through the game section within the application. Note that this feature is only available through the application, not the website. Each game has specific requirements or costs a small amount of coins to play. But you can win free shipping coupons, discounts, and Temu coins. Additionally, winning games can earn you other free gifts, freebies, and store rewards. The process is seamless, and all you need to do is explore the application and its features to get started.